उड़ गई उड़ गई उड़ गई
Tim! It's so good to see you, dude.
Where have you guys been?
I don't know, we were outside.
Are you peeing? Did you pee?
Yeah, I got excited, I peed.
Coming in?
No.
Where are my socks? You know where my socks are?
Oh.
You alright, Jimmy? You feeling alright? Everything okay? What do you see?
What are you watching?
What is that? Are you wearing
Shit? Yeah, I rolled in it.
You need to clean yourself up.
Like Jimmy?
Yeah, go ahead. You can sit there.
I am. Can I get a cookie?
No.
Please, can I have a cookie? One cookie. Give me one cookie.
No.
Please.
No.
Please, let me have one. One cookie, I'll eat the crumbs. I'll eat the crumbs off your shirt.
Dude. You need to close the door.
Don't look at me!
Great to have you guys back.
Good to be back.
Don't touch me.